What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Very simple and short and sweet to the point video. Can AMC hit $50 tomorrow? Yes, if this one thing ties along with the stock that is up 688 million in volume today, topping out stocks like Nvidia, Apple, Tesla, some of the Wall Street darlings that usually are the number one on the list. AMC has overtaken that. It is up 35% today, guys. This stock is going to be having the momentum like this carry on till tomorrow, till next week before the proxy vote. That is here to stay. As for the price targets, as for the squeeze, in which I think this is not a short squeeze, guys. This, what you're seeing here, is solely a gamma squeeze. Take a look at the open interest on some of these contracts, some of these calls. This is the reason, that reasoning that can push AMC to $50 tomorrow. If this stock, AMC, can be up above $30 and hold 30 throughout midday into close tomorrow, you're going to see some crazy squeeze. These option makers, these market makers, they have to hedge. But the amount of open interest is what I'm trying to focus on here, which is completely nuts. Is that going to be going on tomorrow? I completely think it can. Also, as for hedge funds, guys, these hedge funds are traders as well. These people are trading. These people aren't mutual funds. These people aren't relying mostly on fundamentals. These guys are hedge funds. So this is exactly why you see these pullbacks towards the end of the day. The amount of day traders, swing traders you have on the stock is nuts. They're here, guys, and they're going to stay. This is why you have these end-of-day sell-offs into the market close like that. That can also happen tomorrow. Keep in mind, the market is closed on Monday, the 31st. Tomorrow is basically the end of the month. What do you have towards the end of the month? You have portfolio rebalancing. You have these hedge funds, mutual funds, all dumping, buying stocks, trying to rebalance and open and initiate new positions, which is why, I'll prove it to you, you see stuff like this happen on Tesla. Look at this. And to the close, you have a random spike off no news. Nothing. There's no news. Look at this. All you have is volume. Tesla shares move on high volume near 630 level. That's it. There's no news. But this is all psychological. It's all because it's the end of the month. There's a lot of psychology on these stocks, guys. AMC is going to be in the most volatile psychological warfare environment in the next coming days to weeks. As of now, can this become a GameStop? GameStop has been hanging. GameStop also today, by the way, was kind of lagging. GameStop today was kind of lagging midday compared to AMC, in which they were kind of trading together yesterday and this morning. But you had a 264 spike here towards the close. Not as you'd expect compared to the AMC run. But I think, again, it's all psychological. A lot of new traders, a lot of the investors who have, no disrespect, smaller portfolios, they find these assets, these equities that are cheaper, more appealing. Why? Especially since they're up a lot more, they're more volatile, but they're cheaper. They can afford more shares. They can make more money, right? Simple. That's how I was when I started trading. I went for penny stocks, man. You could go all in on penny stocks and you had a crazy move. You're printing some tendies. As for AMC becoming the next GameStop, it's going to be very difficult, as to every card has to alignedly play right. It has to be perfect. These hedge funds, I don't know what they're truly doing. No one really knows. There was not a lot of walls, by the way. We're watching this and streaming this morning. The level 2, there wasn't a lot of walls. This was completely getting ripped up. It was insane. It almost hit $30. After this, after you hit the 52-week high, you're literally going for whole dollar numbers, just like GameStop was. 50, you're going for 51, 52, 53, 55, 60, 65, 75, 100. That can happen. It's not going to happen in one day. It's going to take some time. Look at AMC on the 15 minutes. Ever since Monday at market open, this has been riding that EMA. Can tomorrow be the freaking last day of the week that it can ride the EMA? That would be nuts. And it can happen, again, if this gamma squeeze does kick into play. Can that trigger a short squeeze? A minute one, in which I think it can be the next GameStop, because they are going to reshort it on the way down. My concern is if Robinhood or anything shady comes into play. As for the shorts covering, a recount or the SEC stepping in is what I think can really trigger that. But as of now, you are witnessing the gamma squeeze tied in with a lot of FOMO, a lot of chasers, thinking and predicting this might be the next GameStop. There can be a gamma squeeze, in which there's nothing wrong with that. Just be safe. A lot of you guys made life-changing money, man. And when you have something like that, in which a situation I have, and I completely let that go. I'm telling you, this person to person, I've had this situation, and regret stings. Regret does sting. You don't regret the things you did. You regret the things you didn't do. And holding and selling and locking in profits and maybe taking out my original investment was something that till this day it burned in the steam. Pretty much it for this video. Very short and sweet. If you guys found this video of any value, make sure to stop a like, subscribe if you are new. We go live tomorrow pre-market at market open, and hopefully we have an amazing day. Peace out, team.